I'm questioning God partly because bakit? Of all time and people, ito hindi naman ako yung mapanghingi eh. Bakit hindi niya binigay sa akin?
Lagi kong itinatago kung ano si Jordan, hindi ko masabi kahit kanino.
All those experiences that I had while growing up, lahat ng iyan, ginawa akong ganito. I've been suppressed, I've been limited, restricted. I allowed all these things to happen into my life. Tama na.